today's class, I'm going to need your use favor to make a perfect class, friends, because I gave them my word. I'm going to make a video how for learning English, like why should I begin with as a beginner, and then what sort of vocabulary I must learn as a beginner.
Okay.
I'm going to need some tips about grammar rules. I'm going to need all the things if I want perfect plan of learning English. What would be your advice to make a perfect plan for learning English as a beginner?
As a beginner, I think that, when I started learning languages, of course, as you said, the key thing is to have vocabulary and basic conversation things, really, like asking what your name is, where you're from, where you live, what do you do, are you a student, this, and what hobbies do you have, this kind of thing, vocabulary general, about countries, about colors, animals, all types of vocabulary, all of this is good. There's so much vocabulary, so and then for grammar, I think I would always advise that yes, grammar is important, but it's more important to speak than to try and focus on every little detail, even from a beginner's point,
Yeah, I understand. Because it's a huge to learn everything as a beginner. But some tips about because we are understanding every single thing they say, but we cannot even speak. Our mind goes blank when it comes to speaking. So I'm going to need your help from that particular section, because all my friends are asking me about that particular question, that when it comes to speaking, we are not going to find any words to ask or answer that.
Yeah, I think that the most important thing would be to have a look at different ways that you can increase your confidence, Of course, Cambly is one of them, but I understand that sometimes you can get stuck with the words to say and what words to use. And if not, it's great to find ways to listen to the language, or to watch it and read it and different things like this. Very basic videos, even it probably sounds very, very ridiculous, but even listening to nursery rhymes sometimes, because nursery rhymes give you
this quite a lot.
Yeah, and this, I think this is great because it gives you, it's very easy, it's easy going. It tells you about maybe a spider who's going up the spout, very easy things, really. So that's something I would suggest, and then try to memorize them, I guess, and then like this, that would be something.
Yeah, I have watched a certain animation rhythm we found on the MTV. Maybe I don't know the name of the MTV channels, but I have done quite a lot in my previous years, and that helped me, because when I listen to the song or rhythm, it will stick in my mind for a long time. And when I listen, and when I listen something, to stick vocabulary, because when it comes to listening, slip something on my mind first and I have to translate in English at the same time. But I have got one advice from my friends from Somalia about learning meanings in English, not in our own mother tongue, and that would help me. Recently, I have been feeling that that helped me a lot, because when I about something called like a want, and they gave another word called desire, something like that. So this type of synonyms words help me a lot, because when it comes to speaking, if I don't find that particular word, then I can use another word for that. Instead of using want, I can use desire or willingness or something like that.
Yeah, definitely. And I think that's really good, because for me also, that I have English and Spanish. Even today, I'm not joking, I had a student, he's from Chile, and in Chile they speak Spanish, so sometimes he struggles with some words, so I tell him in Spanish, but I knew the word in English, and I could not remember the word in Spanish. So I tried to explain it to him, and in the end, I had to use the translator. But I did know the word in Spanish, but sometimes your mind goes blank and you can't remember the word, you know? So I completely understand.
Yeah, this is a huge problem when it comes to basic English learner. My mind goes blank when yeah, it's very normal things because it takes time to practice your English on your mind or with your friends or with anyone you want. You can get anyone. The problem is we are not finding any interested men or women or called boy or girl because we all people's different from different perspectives and different purpose, right? That's why we are not finding any particular man or particular women, or I should say that particular boy or the girl interested and free at the same times. We are not finding same people so we are free or able at the same time. That's what makes me feel confused sometimes because I had times in many other groups and international groups I need a speaking partner to improve my English speaking, but I haven't got any in my inbox. Then I thought if you get me, then that's all. The thing is when it comes to speaking, I all the time practice myself because I have my own company all the time between 2016 till 2021. And I think self-confidence, and if you use your time and utilize your time in a proper way,